You see, Saba actually was a very noble idea. Saba was meant to bring the people together for a common cause. And this cause was change. And we decided that we would go to Kamukunji grounds, which is historical grounds. This is where the last Kenya African Union meeting was held in 1952, before the declaration of the state of emergency. And that is again where, when they allowed for formation of political parties, again, the first rally of KANU was held in Kamukunji. So Kamukunji, that is also why eventually when they lifted Section 2A and allowed for formation of political parties, and the first party to be registered was the Forum for Restoration of Democracy. The first rally was held at Kamukunji. So we say that the Kamukunji has got a historical meaning, and that's why we wanted to go there. So what we're saying is that if you want to remember Saba, then we go to Kamukunji. I always go to Kamukunji, even quietly, but I always go there on Saba Day to just go and remember the people who lost their lives there. So my idea would be we go to Kamukunji tomorrow, because if you're talking about protesting, you are protesting, where is this protest going to start? And where is it going to? My view would be the road should lead to Kamukunji. And then in Kamukunji, people meet there and pass a resolution. This is what we want, the Kenya we want. To me, that would be the best way to remember people who have died fighting for the right of the people of Kenya.